everyone, my name is Christopher. I'm 9 years old and today I'm going to talk about tornado. Did you know a tornado? A tornado is a very dangerous weather that happens in our life. And the tornado is a thundercloud that spin and hit the ground. And now let's get to work. And look, wow. This is the big tornado I have ever seen. When a tornado will come, you must find a basement, a hallway, or some places without window. If you find some places with windows, you must hide. You must stay away from it because it's very dangerous. And look. This is the tornado. The tornado is a funnel cloud. When the hot air rises and the moist air go down, and someday they will spin like a cloud, and it will hit the ground, and you will have a tornado. And some tornado, and now we will learn about tornado safety. When the tornado hit the ground, you must hide from it. Do not like this. This house has been hit by a tornado, and it's very sad. And when the tornado hit, when you don't have the basement, where will you hide? You hide in a hallway. A hallway sometimes don't have a window. And window is a thing that break during the tornadoes. So hallway is a good idea to hide in it. And when, look at this. This is the glass and it break by this. Whoa, look, it's not useful to us and it's very dangerous. You must stay away from it. And sometimes it will hit the ground or hit the road when people are going to work. And look, this house is so sad. It's been hit by a tornado. and don't be worried and don't be scared because tornado don't harm us and we can protect it from ours and we can hide it from basement, hallways, closet, or some places without windows. And today we're learning about tornado. Goodbye teacher and goodbye everyone.